Hello and welcome to Harrods in Dorchester. My name is Tessa and today I'm going to be showing you around the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It's got a 2-litre engine and it's currently done 17,707 miles with one previous owner. It's also got a reversing camera with rear parking sensors and a satellite navigation system. Enjoyed this short video of the Hyundai Tucson. If you'd like to come and see it, we're down in London Road in Dorchester and our number is 01305 266 066.